While everyone's been watching the big chatbot wars, Google has been quietly building something, well, revolutionary. It's this incredible AI tool that most people don't even know exists. Seriously, it's an overlooked powerhouse, and today we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly why it's such a game changer.
So let me ask you this. What if you had an AI that didn't just answer your questions, but actually built tools for you? I mean, an AI that could whip up incredible marketing videos, or just automate all those boring, repetitive tasks you do every single day. Well, guess what? That tool is real, and it's called Google AI Studio. The best way to think about it is like the ultimate AI playground. It's a place where you can mess around with all of Google's different AI models. Now, it was originally made for developers, which is probably why it's flown under the radar for so long. But today, we're going to unlock its power for everyone.
Okay, so the first and honestly the most mind-blowing thing about AI Studio is its ability to create entire applications without you having to write a single line of code. It's all about turning a simple idea, a simple description, into a real working tool. Your ideas, not your coding skills, are all that matter here.
And the process? It's ridiculously simple. First, you just describe the app you want to build in plain English. Second, and this part is super important, you make sure you've picked the best AI model for the job, which in this case is Gemini 3. And then you just click Build. That's literally it.
So what does that actually look like? Well, here's a perfect example. An AI return on investment calculator built from just one prompt. A business can pop in the number of employees, their average pay, and how many hours are wasted on repetitive tasks. The app then spits out these professional-looking charts that show exactly how much money they could save with AI. And the best part? You can put it on the web for anyone to use with just a couple of clicks. And this isn't just some toy. This gives anyone, whether you run your own business or work for someone else, the power to create this whole arsenal of small, custom tools that can immediately make your work life easier and more automated. Now, building one app is cool, for sure, but the real magic of AI Studio kicks in when you start combining the skills of different specialized AI models. This is where it goes from being a simple tool to a full-on creation suite. It's like you're a conductor, and each AI model is a different instrument in your orchestra. Let's just take image generation for a second. You've got your standard model, we'll call it Nano Banana, and it's pretty good. But then you have the advanced version, Nano Banana Pro. Now, the Pro version has this amazing reasoning system built in, which means it's fantastic at putting accurate text inside of an image, which, if you've used other AI image tools, you know is something they really struggle with. This one little difference opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
So, because we know our Nano Banana Pro model is a master of text, we can tell AI Studio to build an app specifically powered by it. For instance, a custom YouTube thumbnail generator.
And what you get is this super powerful app. You can just type in your video title, upload a picture of yourself, pick an emotion like shocked and a style like dramatic. You can even set the text size and resolution all the way up to 4K, and boom, the app generates a bunch of high-quality, super clickable thumbnails. It's a perfect example of combining specialized AI skills to make something incredibly useful.
But why stop at images? If we can mix a language model with an image model, what do you think happens when we add video generation into the equation? Yeah, we can create even more powerful tools, like an animator for e-commerce products.
So check this out. Here's another custom app. You upload a static photo of a product, add a promo message like buy one, get one free, pick an animation style, let's go with dramatic unboxing, choose some background sounds, and it generates a short animated marketing video for you. Just think, this is something that would have cost an agency hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now you can do it in seconds. Look, I know this seems really advanced, but it's surprisingly accessible. If you're excited by this and want to deep dive a real step-by-step guide to building your own tools just like these, I've actually put together a full course on Udemy. The link is right down there in the description. It'll take you from zero to hero with AI Studio. Okay, let's get into the last feature. And this one feels like it's straight out of science fiction. We're talking about turning the AI into your live partner, working right there with you on your computer.
This is the live feature. You can literally share your screen with Gemini and it sees everything you see. You can ask it to explain a confusing chart you're looking at or to summarize a long, dense article. But what's absolutely nuts is its ability to watch you work. You can do a task that takes multiple steps across a bunch of different tabs, and the AI will just sit there and document every single thing you do, automatically creating a perfect step-by-step guide for training other people. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. This completely changes how we use our computers. It's not just about asking for information anymore. It's about getting real-time help on the exact task you are doing at that exact moment.
So after seeing all of this, how you can build apps with no code, combine AI superpowers, and even have a live assistant, what's the big takeaway? What does this all mean?
It means that the biggest hurdle to creating something amazing is no longer your technical skill or whether you know how to code. The biggest limit is shifting from what you know how to build to what you can imagine building. The technology, it's already here.
So now that you see what's possible, now that you know you can mix and match all these different AI models to create pretty much anything you can dream up, I've got one last question for you. What incredible tool will you create first?